National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Koshnanal near Clinton to 6
Holy
miles
crap!
north.
Woo!
45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and equal-sized hail.
We got stuff falling all over the place.
Source, radar indicated.
Oh, look at that.
Damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Elkhorn, Lake Winnebago, East Troy, Williams Bay, Wheels, Noaa, Genoa City, Walworth, Dousman.
Had to get this on film.
Other landmarks included are the following locations on the Lake Recreation Area and Highway Campground.
Up there.
Yeah.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's for the storm. This severe thunderstorm warning is for that. Right there.
Eastern Wisconsin.
Wow, look at that. That's mighty impressive.
Radio. KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alerts from McCary, Cook, and northern King counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 7:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Where's our severe thunderstorm warning? We aren't even in a warning yet. And I can tell you one thing, this probably needs it. Holy crap. This is one of the coolest storms I think I've ever seen. Like, but I don't have that great a storm history, so. Because for some reason, I was in the basement during August 10th, 2020. Which was probably a really good idea. But then I missed out on the storm. Ah, it's so pretty.